Hello, this is just to showcase the clock is working perfectly fine. The point is that with regards to the face, the hands, so you really need to know exactly how it functions. So in order to show you it on the hour, what happens is as you move the minute hand straight to the 1 o'clock, it goes through the full Westminster chime. So as you can see, it struck 11 o'clock right on 11. You've got the switch on the right hand side to make it silent or make it active or chime. And then what I'll do is I'll go through each 15-minute marker. So as you go through the quarter past the hour, and then it's half past. And then it's quarter two. And then it's at 12 o'clock, so this is going to strike 12. So there you go, first Westminster chime. So while that's happening, what I'll do is I'll turn the clock around and show you the actual chiming mechanism. So let's have a closer look. So as you can see here, okay, so that pretty much states that everything here is working perfectly fine. You've got the balance mechanism there, you've got the clock is ticking away quite nicely, so what I'll do is I'll keep quiet for a moment and let the clock tick. And there you go. Thank you very much.